Marty, it's 5 a.m. and it's very clear that the Biden administration wants to get to work. What are they going to do to combat the pandemic?
Well, one of the things they're going to do that's pretty significant is invoke the Defense Production Act. For those who are not familiar, that gives the executive branch authority to target companies around the country to force them to produce the materials they need for testing and vaccine supplies and other things that, frankly, the previous administration was reluctant to do. So he announced this morning at 5 a.m. that he's going to invoke the Defense Production Act and also, not surprisingly, impose a mask-wearing mandate on all federal property and jurisdictions.
Marty, how difficult, and we see it here in Europe, even with strict measures, it's difficult to know exactly how this will, pan out, if people will follow. How important is it that actually he gets the stimulus package through, whilst doing these extra measures to contain the actual virus?
Well, there are two separate tracks. There's a certain amount of things he can do by executive order, like the mask-wearing mandate today, but he's going to have to get Republican cooperation on the stimulus proposal, the $1.9 trillion. And, Joe Biden has stressed unity yesterday, reaching across the aisle. That will be a real test of his ability to negotiate with the Republicans.